Ambassadors to China attending a forum in China's Tibet spoke positively about China's proposed Belt and Road Initiative, which is celebrating its 10th anniversary this year.
We believe that the Belt and Road cooperation that is based on mutual respect, on solidarity, and that fully takes advantage of the development potential of each country. It's based on respect. Nicaragua is already taking advantage, participating actively in the Belt and Road Initiative in projects in the area of housing, in projects related to water and sanitation, and projects related to highways.
We are working on this Belt and Road implementation framework, this kind of progress between two countries is very helpful for the development and prosperity of two countries. There will be the mutual benefit, cooperation, coordination.
I think without doubt, all the countries that have partnership into this BRI, both sides have benefited from it. I understand this is the 10-year anniversary. I see that this is a win-win situation for all the developing partners. I think China is playing a bigger role for promoting peaceful harmony between all the other countries in a worldwide arena.